Alright, what's going on YouTube? JDuke771 here with a box break of 2009 Artifacts. It's a blaster box, so obviously I'm not expecting anything, but I figured I haven't seen the product yet. It's cheap enough, why not? So let's do it. Alright, we have 7 packs, so not expecting much, but why not? We'll open it. We're supposed to be guaranteed 1 memorabilia per box. Let's see, I'll only show you the hits. Looks like rookie card of Jason Mott, Cardinals pitcher, not numbered. Sorry for the quality of the video. This is my sister's webcam. I'm looking into buying a quality webcam, so my future videos hopefully will be better. Rookie card of Justin Thomas for the Mariners. We have a rookie card of Jason Pretty for the Twins. We have 2 rookies here, Jose Mijares for the Twins and Robert Parnell for the Mets. These are actually decent looking cards. I like the borders and I like the color scheme and everything's set up, so I mean perhaps a hobby box is in my future, who knows. We have a rookie of Mitch Talbot for the Rays. We have 2 more packs. Still waiting for our guaranteed memorabilia, which looks like it might be in there, so we'll save that for the end. We have a rookie of Fernando Perez and a red card of Rick Ankiel, which I guess is just a different color, but not numbered for some reason, but there's that. And now for that pack, which looks like it has a hit. We have a Historical Moments Golden Gate Bridge completed blue card number 98 off 299. It's kind of cool. A rookie of Luis Valbuena for the Indians. And our hit looks like Carlos Delgado, piece of looks like pants, and that is not numbered. So that's the product. That's 2009 Upper Deck Artifacts. It's a good looking product. I might invest in a hobby box, who knows. So yeah, there's the video. Thank you.